Hello guys, it's Lolly. I'm at home. Today is day 5 of our keto diet, so I want to show you what we packed up while we were both home today because we got rid of everything. There are a bunch of things we're giving to Mikey's parents. Big bag. I have a coworker at work that has kids, and I said, well, there's stuff like Captain Crunch, there's granola bars, there's soups. Will come in handy for her. So 3 huge bags. Plus, she gave me her frozen stuff so we can put any frozen stuff like the tons of Eggo waffles that Mikey just recently bought because we've been having Eggo cravings. No more! Oh, and this big old pizza. So I hope she and her family can enjoy those. Right now at the time of recording this, it's only been a few days, 5 days. I feel different. I have energy. I don't think I've lost any weight. But thanks for coming on this journey with us. It'll be here and there, you know, or if we go out to eat and you're like, just get the cheesesteak. Why are you not eating the bread? Now you know why. I won't miss that stuff as much as I thought I would because we have like really cool replacement stuff. And yeah, it involves a lot of cooking, not gonna lie. We'll see how it goes. See you in a few more days, see how it works.
So this is what I'm about to make. It is basically keto-friendly pizza. Only 4 grams carbs per serving. And here it is. I'll show you the back of it. It looks like a regular frozen pizza, except the crust is made of chicken. Which,
it looks like real crust.
Yeah, it looks like real crust. So we're going to try this out. This is the 3 cheese. We're going to throw some pepperoni on it about halfway through. So we shall see how it comes out. Try. Looks pretty amazing. It looks like real pizza. So we're going to try it out.
Hey guys, we haven't been in the car together in a while on a video. We're gonna go to Trader Sam's. Nope.
Trader Joe's.
I wish we were going to Trader Sam's. We're going to Trader Joe's and we're gonna get some keto-friendly foods. Actually, our fridge is actually, I'm gonna say actually again, our fridge is pretty, I'm spitting. Our fridge is pretty full.
It's a living, breathing farm right now.
What does that mean? Oh.
It's all fresh stuff.
Yeah. Got rid of all the bad stuff. Got all the fresh stuff in there. Look at this, guys. The tummy in a week. Whoa, bumpy road, sorry. Going down, tummy. I don't feel much change yet, but we'll get there.
I'm going to be on the cover of Men's Fitness next month. Make sure you buy it.
We've made it to Trader Sam's. I'm on a curve.
It's not called Trader Sam's.
Trader Joe's. We're going to try to stay within a $75 budget.
Or $300.
No, Mama's paying. Mama's paying 75. If it goes to 100, so be it.
Yeah.
I'm taller than you right now.
Let's go.
Let's go. This place is insane. We're looking for cheese crisps. So far, this is what we have in the cart. What a different life we're living. Let's see if we can find the cheese crisps. So guys, we did okay. We spent $97. I think we got a bunch of good stuff. We got vegetables. I got my walnuts. Got a lot of stuff. So I'm happy. But we didn't get everything that was on the list, so we have to go to Whole Foods and see if we can get the rest of the stuff, which I haven't been there since when I was gluten-free for stomach issues. So time to go spend a few more bucks that I do not have. Thanks, Trader Joe's. Our destroyed kitchen because he made eggplant rollatini today. What's going on with the fridge? What's the haps?
Trying to make room.
I haven't eaten lunch, or I haven't eaten food since 1:15. He's so busy putting stuff away and he doesn't want me in the kitchen. But my broccoli's ready to go, and I'm waiting for eggplant.
Why would you buy these?
What's the problem?
Why would you buy these when we have a full space over here?
It's $1.99, that's why I didn't know. So, keto lifestyle. I had a really hard time when we went into Whole Foods because all I wanted were cookies. I had cookies, cakes, bread. Day 8, I got this. I hope. So our camera just totally died on us as we were talking to y'all.
Sorry.
Sorry. So I'm gonna hold this for a few minutes. Pretty much, we're feeling good.
Yeah, more energy. Not as like crappy, tired all the time.
Our bodies are in ketosis, which means it is now burning the fat in our body instead of the carbs.
Yeah.
So we're feeling good. We're gonna buy a scale today. It's almost been 3 weeks and we haven't weighed ourselves yet. Wow, this is a really tight collar. What else? So yeah, you're gonna see us eating differently than you did in like the Disney videos, for instance.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat a lot of meats, veggies, some cheeses, high fat, healthy fats, less carbs. And look what's behind us. I realize this is gonna come out backwards. Oh my God. I just spent all that money on it and it's gonna come out backwards in the videos. Blonde. So blonde.
Oops.
Oh my God, you gotta hold this because my arms. So that's Laliland backwards. Oh my God, is it?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh. Well,
You get the idea.
I'm gonna leave it up to represent my home anyway. So, we're starting a new lifestyle. We're not pushing that new lifestyle on anybody else. Believe me, we don't care what y'all do. Yeah. This is something for us to try. In a few days, it'll be full 3 weeks. We're feeling good. We're going to weigh ourselves for the first time today since starting keto. We're going to go shopping for a few things. We want to show you our very first shopping trip, a few clips that we took. What else? So we have some plans coming up, but you're going to see us, mostly eating stuff that's grass-fed beef or grass-fed this and that and stuff instead of a cinnamon bun like you saw in the Disney videos. Or pizza,
pasta,
or cookies, or cupcakes.
Yeah.
And we're going to see how we do after a full month, and we'll follow back up. There's been an awesome keto community that we've been in touch with through Instagram that has been amazing.
Yes.
And supportive. So thank you guys if you're watching. And everything else will be the same with us. Like, we're still going to do the same trips and the same videos.
We have a trip this week.
We're not getting rid of our cats since they're not keto. And we're not pushing keto on anybody. Yeah. So I hope you'll still watch and subscribe. Never knew I liked avocados. Never got it. What are you surprised that you're eating now that you never thought you would eat?
Avocados. Yeah, rice, cauliflower.
No, I didn't ever eat cauliflower before. And eggs, all kinds of eggs.
I started eating almonds like a fiend. I never eat almonds before.
I was always a nut fan.
I always used to eat peanuts, but we can't really have those anymore. But
all natural peanut butter.
Yeah, natural peanut butter. No jelly.
No jelly. Yeah, I've been making keto bread and what else?
Made our own pancakes with almond flour.
Almond flour is our best friend.
Yes.
Can't eat too much of it, but enough to get us by. So we're actually going to go get an omelet today on the way out to shopping.
I might get lunch.
What do you get for lunch? Tuna?
Nah.
We don't eat seafood. Well, he eats a little bit of white fish, but I don't eat seafood, so that's something I have to replace and make sure I have the right minerals and vitamins. So it's been fun. Hope you guys.
Like cod.
Oh my God, he likes cod. Anyway, we out. Thanks for watching our first little keto introduction. Club Keto. Yeah, I ordered a shirt because I don't have any t-shirts. This is backwards too, isn't it? So I'm in the car. We're on our way to Walmart and Target and another store and whatever. And I realized the sign on our wall did come out properly. What is wrong with us? It's not even just me. It's him too. We're both like, oh, it's going to read backwards. No, I think, I don't know. whatever. It's fine. Have a good day. Thanks for watching Laliland. Please subscribe, hit that little bell so you get updates. And coming up soon, now that we're done with our video footage from Disney, we'll have more stuff, local stuff coming up.
Yeah, non-Disney stuff, so if you're sick of the Disney stuff.
Or if you're not sick of the Disney stuff, I have news for that soon too. Bye.